What are wait times like at Magic Kingdom on the day of a party at Magic Kingdom? Because we know that you have to be out of Magic Kingdom by 6 or 7 p.m. The party usually, the people can enter at 4 p.m. So everyone wants to know, is it worth my money to use a park ticket at Magic Kingdom that day if I have to be out by 4 p.m.? And you and I have talked about this at length because it applies to Mickey's Very Merry Christmas Party and Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween parties. So if you're not in Halloween and you're going to the Christmas party, this applies at the same time too. And the answer is absolutely yes. The recommendation is you should do this with Park Hopper because you're going to get more value out of it, right?
Yeah.
Park Hopper is not nearly as expensive as just an extra day of park tickets. So you can go to Magic Kingdom in the morning, ride a lot of rides, get a lot done, and then at 4 p.m. when the crowds start to come in for the party, you can head out and go to Hollywood Studios, go to Fantasmic, have dinner, go to Epcot, go drink around the world, whatever you want to do. But the upshot is wait times, and it's consistent this year because I ran the numbers for wait times for the parties that have happened so far for Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween Party. The wait times are lower at Magic Kingdom during the day of a party. And the reason is people that are going to the party are not coming to the park in the morning. They're only using, the money that they spent for $180, $200 to go to the party. They're coming in at 4 o'clock. They're staying late. They're not having their kids waste time in the parks in the morning. The people that are going to be there are the people that have Park Hopper, like we just said, or annual pass holders.
Correct.
So, they're going to pop in, ride some rides. And, it's pretty consistently, you're going to wait about half the time. So 15 to 20 minutes max for almost all the rides at Magic Kingdom.
And I think going with that, if you're a person that's got 4-day tickets, the price to go to a 5-day ticket just for that day is minimal at best. I mean, and it's day 3 to 4 is a little bit more expensive, but once you get to 4 and so on, it's worth it. I mean, it's like $20 a person, and especially if you've got Park Hopper, it's 100% worth it.
And that's exactly what we did with our family, right? When we're going in September, the day of the Halloween party, we went from 4 tickets to 5 tickets, specifically because we will go to a park and we'll go to Magic Kingdom the morning of the party. We won't stay as long because we'll want to get the kids back and rest before we actually go to the party because we're going to go to the party ourselves.
Yeah.
But on the days that there is a party on our vacation that we're not going to, we're absolutely going to prioritize Magic Kingdom in the morning and then park hop to a different park. One other thing that you should keep in mind, though, is that the other parks are a little bit busier usually because people aren't wasting their park day at Magic Kingdom. So you might see a little higher wait times at Animal Kingdom in the morning, Epcot, or Hollywood Studios in the morning, just because not as many people are going to Magic Kingdom. But I think that's a really important hack for anybody going this time of the year, especially October, because it seems like there's a party like almost every day. This trick or tip has been the same and it's consistent. We check the data every year because I'm a nerd and I love looking at that stuff. But it still consistently works every time. Those lower wait times. And then you'll see right at 4 p.m. when people start to come in is when the rides uptick. And what happens is that people don't leave Magic Kingdom until 7 p.m. because that's when the party really gets started. So from 4 p.m. to 7 p.m. is the highest wait times of the day at Magic Kingdom for a party day because all the people that are going to the party are in the parks and all the people that don't have to have a party ticket are still in the parks. And then the wait times drop for the party. And I will scream this from the mountaintops. When you go to these parties, don't expect walk-on rides because the wait times are going to be low. But honestly, you're going to get probably better wait times during the day at Magic Kingdom than you will at the party.
Yeah.